Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord headlight bulb. First, ensure you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific model and a pair of clean gloves. It's crucial to turn off your car and allow the engine to cool completely before starting. Always consult your Honda Accord's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or warnings. Once your car is cool, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently twist or pull to disconnect it. Next, you might need to remove a dust cover or a retaining clip that holds the bulb in place. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Now, carefully remove the old bulb from its housing. Avoid touching the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Reattach any retaining clips or dust covers, then reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks securely into place. Finally, turn on your Honda Accord's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Check both low and high beams. If the beam pattern seems off, you might need to adjust the headlight aims slightly for optimal visibility and to avoid blinding other drivers. For product links and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.